Today at Hello Annie, I'm going to show you how to make an authentic michelada. A michelada is a spicy Mexican beer and tomato juice cocktail. It's similar to the American Bloody Mary. If you love a good Bloody Mary, then you will love this michelada. And homemade is always best, so let me show you how you can make your own at home. Start out by taking a lime wedge and run it along the rim of a glass, and then dip the edge of the glass and dip it into a tahini mix. I'm using some clamato juice, about 1/4 cup, and a few dashes of Tabasco hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix the ingredients and add Mexican beer of choice. I'm using Victoria, but Modelo, Corona, Sol, or Tecate are all great beers. Just make sure it's nice and cold. Add some ice cubes. Pop in a few jalapeno slices and some lime wedges for garnishing. And voila! Cheers to the weekend!